Hi, this is Wilson from Blisters and Foods. So this is my work setup at home. This is my monitor, this is my CPU, my keyboard and my mouse. As you can see, I have a huge 32-inch 2K monitor. And the problem with this is it's taking a lot of space due to its original stand, and I can't actually tilt it. I can't really turn it. And the problem is I don't really want to have lots of movement because the stand is actually locked with the monitor. So this becomes a problem. I'm going to show you, like, if I'm going to sit here, I can't move it around because of its original stand. So what I need is a proper desk monitor arm. And from what I researched online, Ergotron is one of the best brands for desk monitor arm in Malaysia. So this is the Mono Digital Shopee page, and these are the Ergotron products. So I have purchased the Ergotron LX desk monitor arm. As you can see, it comes with matte black, polished aluminium and white color. So this is the Ergotron LX desk monitor arm. Let's unbox it now. Okay, let's open this. So what's inside is the manual, okay? And then this is a very nice card, like a thank you card for buying the Ergotron. So I see three major components here. So this is the first one. Wow, it feels very solid. Okay, so this is one of them. So this is the second one. I think this is the one that locks to your desk. This is really solid. And then this is the arm. Okay. So it's very easy. You just need three big components. Okay. And then here you have all the screws. So there are three big components here and the screws. So the first step, you put this on your desk and then you clamp on it and then you lock it. It's very easy. So this is a component and you just need to put it here. Make sure you lock the arm with the back of the monitor with the thumb screws. Thumb screws are very easy to use and they are tools free. So why Ergotron? Ergotron is an ergonomic monitor arm that allows you to set your monitor to the most comfortable position. It is very easy to install the Ergotron LX desk monitor arm on monitor up to 34-inch. It also supports weight up to 11.3 kilogram. With patented constant force motion technology, you can just adjust with a touch that allows you to adjust the height, depth, and in most cases, the angle of your monitor. Whether sitting or standing, it will improve your ergonomic posture and help reduce eye strain, back and neck pain. So I'm going to show you how the patented constant force motion technology positions display with a light touch. The folding arm frees up space in constrained areas. It saves space and it passes Ergotron's 10,000 cycle motion test. Now I can properly position my monitor and it relieves my posture fatigue and prevent poor posture in my daily work routine. It also increases productivity, comfort and wellness. So imagine I spend many hours on my computer doing my content. With this Ergotron LX Monitor Arm, it actually improves my posture and it also gives me comfort. This will actually offers me more productivity in the long run. So this is the monitor with the Ergotron LX desk monitor arm, and you can see it's actually very flexible and you can tilt up to your height. So it is all depends on your preference. So as you can see, what I can do now, I can actually turn here if I want a close-up, and I can actually turn back like this, and I can have this angle, I can have this angle, and you can actually have lots of spaces because all the cables are hidden. So I can have this wireless too. So this is like a good investment for people who want space on their working desk. And if you want to invest on a desk monitor arm, Ergotron LX Monitor Arm is one of them. Okay, please check the link at the description, and if you have any questions, please do comment. Like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching everyone, take care.